With this short video training, we are going to see how to set up and use the Cardioline ECG100L and ECG200L, which are very similar devices with the exception of the display and paper size. Inside the package, the accessories are the mains cable or the battery charger, depending on the model, a 10-wire patient cable, the user manual and other documentation like a quick reference guide, an electrode adapter kit for the use with disposable clip or tab electrode, a tab electrode package, and a protection cover for the device, and at last a thermal paper pack. After the unpacking, the first thing to do is to place the thermal paper inside. So open the paper cover, check that the grid of the paper is in front of you and the black mark in the top side. Take a lid of the paper out and close the paper cover. Then connect the mains cable or the battery charger on the back of the device and verify that the mains and battery charge LED turns on. Now connect the patient cable on the right side of the device and fix it with a screw. To turn on the 200L, find the power button on the back of the device and push it. The first thing to appear on the display is the electrode contact verification panel. If everything is good, they are all green. Otherwise, they will be red. When the signal is good, the panel automatically closes, and you will see scrolling on the display the waveform. If you click on the left column, you can change the lead group on the display. This will reflect also in the manual printout. On the right side of the display, you have different buttons. The first is to change the speed on the display. If you push it, you can switch between all the available speed. The second one is for the filter, 150, 40 and 25. 150 is disabled, so is the diagnostical filter, let's say. The third button is to change the amplitude of the signal, so 5, 10, 20. On the top left side I can see the patient data, then on the top bar the memory size, the heart rate, the battery status and the clock. If you push the auto button, a patient data request opens, so you just input the data or just go ahead by pushing the OK button several times. So using the on-display keyboard, input all the data, then press OK, and the exam is automatically recorded and printed out. After that, you will see the recorded exam on the display. At this stage, you can print more copies of the exam with the dedicated button, or you can also change the print layout by clicking on the display and then push the print button again, or you can save or delete the exam. If you save it, you see the memory size has decreased now. To record the manual exam, you just press the manual button and the device starts printing. If you push again the manual button, the group of lead printed out changes, and so on. If you push it again you change the layout. To stop the recording, you just press stop button. When you finish your job, to turn off the device, just keep pushing on the on-off button for a few seconds and the device turns off.